Now this illustration deals with wet niche luminaires. In accordance with 680.23B1, as in boy, through B8. And notice, let's review and look at the wet niche luminaire installed in the wall of that swimming pool in accordance with 680.23B. Now the termination of the number 8 conductor routed through the conduit system from the deck box must terminate and shall be listed and potted well with a compound that's in accordance with 680.22B, as in boy, 2 little b. Now notice, routed from the deck box to the wet niche fixture is a number 8 solid, stranded, or identified copper conductor that complies with 680.23B, as in boy, 2b. Now, notice the water level. Starting at the maximum water level, the deck box and a vertical measurement has to be 8 inches up vertically. From the deck box now vertically, 4 inches. And then notice it sets back at least 4 foot in accordance with 680.24B, 2 little b. More information about the deck box can be found in 680.24. Now the wiring method from the panel board where the branch circuit routed to the deck box receives its power can be routed in rigid metal conduit, IMC, liquid tight, non-metallic MC type wiring method, or PVC. But the wiring method has to be one of these as listed in 680.23B2. A number 12 equipment ground based upon the 20 amp circuit along with the number 12 ungrounded conductor and neutral has to be routed from the panel board where the branch circuit receives its power to the deck box where the connections are made. So the equipment ground will naturally terminate to that number 8, and usually that deck box is located underneath the diving board or wherever the authority having jurisdiction with the guidelines of the city, maybe, or county rules, or state. But if you're wiring swimming pools, we know 680 is the main article used. And this 680 came into the code in 1968. And so most cities had their own diagram with how a pool had to be wired within their city, county, or state. So figure 11-26 illustrates the requirements for wet niche luminaires when installed and used by NEC 680.23B, as in boy 1 through B, as in boy 8.